Confused between AI, cloud, and data careers. If you're confused between AI, cloud, and data career paths, you're not alone. Many tech professionals reach a point where everything looks promising. AI is booming, cloud is everywhere, and data drives decisions. But choosing the wrong path can cost you years of learning tools that don't move your career forward. In 2026, tech hiring has changed. It's no longer about how many tools or certifications you collect. It's about whether your skills align with a clear, real-world role. Let's break down 3 high-demand tech roles, what they actually do, and how to know which one fits you. Cloud Architect, the system builder. Choose Cloud Architect if you like thinking in systems, not tasks. This role is about designing how applications run at scale, securely, reliably, and cost-effectively. Cloud architects enjoy designing large-scale distributed systems, making decisions around scalability and performance, securing cloud infrastructure, balancing cost, reliability, and availability in real-world environments. Cloud architects work with cloud platforms like AWS or Azure, networking, firewalls, and identity and access management, containers and orchestration using Docker and Kubernetes, infrastructure as code with Terraform and CI/CD pipelines. If you enjoy architecture-level thinking, long-term decisions, and understanding how systems behave under load, cloud architecture is a strong fit. AI, ML engineer, the intelligence builder. Choose AI or machine learning engineer if you enjoy turning data into intelligent systems. This role focuses on building models that learn, adapt, and automate decisions. AI, ML engineers enjoy solving complex, data-driven problems, working with large datasets, experimenting with models and algorithms, automating decisions and predictions. Core areas AI, ML engineers work with include Python as the primary language, machine learning fundamentals like regression, classification, and clustering, deep learning concepts such as neural networks, deploying models into production systems. This role suits professionals who enjoy experimentation, logic, and innovation, and are comfortable combining math, code, and real-world data. Data architect, the data strategist. Choose data architect if you enjoy building the foundation that analytics and AI depend on. This role is about designing how data flows across an organization, from source to insight. Data architects enjoy designing scalable data platforms, building analytics-ready systems, managing data quality, governance, and consistency, structuring complex data flows. In practice, data architects work with data warehouses and lakehouse platforms, ETL and real-time streaming pipelines, data modeling techniques, metadata management, catalogs, and lineage systems. If you like structure, clarity, and long-term data strategy, data architecture may be the right path. How to choose the right path? Here's a simple way to decide. If you enjoy systems, infrastructure, and scale, select Cloud Architect. If you enjoy models, data, and automation, select AI, Machine Learning Engineer. If you enjoy data design, structure, and governance, select Data Architect. All 3 roles are critical. None is better than the others. The right choice depends on how you think, not what's trending. A reality check most people miss. Here's the truth most people don't talk about. Certifications alone will not get you hired. Real tech roles demand a clear learning roadmap, hands-on, real-world project skills that work in production, not just in theory. Learning random tools without direction leads to confusion, not growth. What actually works? The professionals who grow fastest choose a role first, learn skills in the right order, build projects that mirror real systems, focus on depth, not noise. This approach saves time, effort, and frustration. Summary: tech careers don't grow by accident. They grow by intentional choices. Choose the right tech career path. Cloud architect, AI, ML engineer, data architect. Learn with Uplatz and build role-specific, real-world skills that prepare you for modern tech roles. Visit uplatz.com to get started.